Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for visiting. And if you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you. Today, I'm going to go ahead and make a couple bowls. So I thought I'd go ahead and do this online. So let's see how well I do with this. But yeah, I'm learning how to make these bowls. So here the first thing I'm going to do, I have two different colors here, and they're both one-sided. I guess you can consider this a two sides. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and do my first loop, pinch it together. Let's go ahead and we're going to twist this so that the good side would come to the top. Okay. I have to remember to keep the loops as close to the same size as possible. So let's go ahead and I'm going to make about 3 loops here. Once again, I've been watching these videos on how to make bows, and they've been very helpful for me. So I hope this is helpful for someone also. So this is my way of pinching it together. I'm not sure how the other people, how everyone else pinch, but my pinches might be a little different than others, but it's doing the same thing. It's getting the job done. So one of the makers that I've been watching. Okay, let's make my last. I have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Make my last loop. Bring that up there. Okay. So far, that's what I have. 3 loops. And let's go ahead and cut the tail. Right about there. Okay. Let's go ahead and secure this. Get this as tight as possible. Okay. Go ahead and open them up. I tell you, I've learned a lot since I started this basket journey in the past couple months. A lot of wonderful videos. People are kindly sharing the videos, and that's really taught me a lot. So Right, so here we go. This is my first one. Okay. Tell me what you think about it. I have to go. Oh, let me do this now while I'm on camera. Go ahead and get let's cut this at the end. Cut this one. There. Okay. So yeah, so there you go. Got me a bow. Um, I like the way it turned out. So let's go ahead and make another one. Another twist. Loop. Twist. Loop. I think I have enough of maybe two more twists. Twist. Loop. Twist. Let's see. Loop. One, two, three, four on each side. See if I can get one more. Okay. So let's see how this one turns out. Let's find me there. I have a green one in here that I can use. Oh, no, that's broken. So let's find a tri-black one. Let's go ahead and put the eye on here. I don't have any strength in my fingers, so let's see if I can get this tight enough to hold this. Hmm. Okay, so right now that's how it looks. So let's go ahead and puff it out. I have a piece of tape on here. Let's remove that. Okay. Okay, y'all. So it's coming together. Let's see. From this over here on this side. And I have this blue. This blue looks long, too big. Maybe put it to the back. Yeah, let's try that. Put it to the back. Let's try that and see how it looks. Okay, let's see what I have here. See how this turned out. And start, let's cut the other end. Okay. All right, so I'm not sure. I think I might want to make this, yeah, put that to the back.
Yeah, it's the it clearly say right
So,
down here. Come to the application center.
okay. Okay, so this is how the second one turned out. So, right, here you go. So yeah, so I'm thinking I'll leave this to the top, at the top of the uh, ribbon. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the other video.